Hey guys, Brad here with Custom Offsets. Got episode lifts and levels for you. This one's going to be a 3.5-inch super lift.
Custom Offsets team stands the team. We on top of it now. We ain't never gonna fade, so you better get ready for taking over the game.
This is a popular lift size for the 07 and up GM half-ton trucks because it's not a full-blown lift kit, so the price is pretty reasonable. And what this is going to be similar to Rough Country makes a 3.5-inch lift as well, and it's pretty much the same components. And how it works is you got the lift spacer up front, so this spacer is going to go on top of your strut. That's going to provide the lift for the truck. And then in order to basically handle the new angle of the upper control arms, is they give you these new tubular upper control arms from Superlift. And you see how it is basically it's designed to sit at a higher angle, and the ball joint is clocked accordingly rather than the factory ones. And so what that allows you is it allows you to not eat through ball joints and still maintain a good ride, unlike the 3.5-inch kits that don't come with upper control arms. And this is going to come with a differential drop as well. It's a small differential drop, only about this much, but it's enough to keep the CV angles, you know, in a safe area, or safe zone I should say, I guess. Then they have this new skid plate for the diff once it's lowered down, just a little protection for the differential after the differential drop. And then in the back it rounds it off with just some blocks here. One thing that I don't really like about the Superlift kit is they're the only ones that I've seen that don't give you a painted block. So the blocks on the rear are bare metal, but nothing a little spray paint won't take care of. And then you got your new U-bolts, hardware, and then shocks as well for the back. These are going to be the Superlift shocks, just their standard twin tube shocks for the rear of the truck. We're going to go ahead and we got this thing up on the lift, and Jake's getting really upset because I'm holding his parts here hostage, so he's got to go ahead and get this installed here. So we're going to go ahead and get on the truck. All right, so we got the 3.5-inch Superlift installed in the truck now. And as you can see, the key of this system is the upper control arm. You can see even at full droop, it's not at too much of an angle here on the ball joint, which is what you're after. And this is the factory control arm. And as you can see, if it were to be at the same angle, this ball joint would be maxed out. And that's gonna ruin the ride, and you're gonna go through ball joints like crazy. So that's why on these kits that don't have a knuckle, you need to have a heavy duty upper control arm with the new index ball joint on there to handle that ball joint angle. The rest of the kit, pretty simple. Strut spacer up here, which is going to provide the lift for you, 3.5 inches of lift. And then the differential drop, which you can't really see because it's just a little small differential drop, which is all you need. Drops the diff down to help the CV axle angles. And that's pretty much everything for the kit in the front. In the back, simple blocks and shocks in the back. As you can see, it's just remove and replace the factory blocks with the new larger blocks and the new U-bolts. 3.5-inch kit. These are pretty simple. Nothing too crazy about them. It's a good size kit that's pretty popular. And this is the one that I like better than the Rough Country one because of the ball joint angle, and those new control arms is a lot better on the Superlift than the Rough Country kit. All right, so that's gonna finish up the 3.5-inch Superlift on this Chevy 1500 here. We're gonna go ahead and get this thing back on the ground. We gotta go get it aligned and get it to the customer.